Hello everyone, hope you were well this Friday afternoon. Just wanted to show a little bit more of my newly acquired little truck here, my little Yoda. I had a video a little while back where I was talking about how I sold my newer Tacoma, and because we were just tired of having car payments, and I don't want a car payment. And it was good timing because my father was about to sell this truck. He can no longer drive because of vision issues and hearing issues, and it's no longer safe for him to drive. So I told him I'd buy it from him. And I tell you, it's been good so far. It's been a good little Yoda. I've done a few things to it. I've cleaned it up on the inside and outside. He hadn't driven this truck very much he had it for about 6 years and just really didn't drive it much anyway. And I got new tires. So far I'm happy with them. They're Rocky Mountain all-terrain tires. I got them from, where did I get them from? Discount Tire. Very competitive price. About half the price of BF Goodrich KO2's all-terrains. I would love some of those, but you run about $1,000 on a set of them or more. But anyway, this is a 2004 Toyota Tacoma pre-runner TRD off-road. It is two-wheel drive because it's a pre-runner. However, it does have an off-road package. It does, which basically means it has a locking rear differential, which will help get you out of some if you're stuck, not serious, like mud or climbing rocks, but if you're off-road and on a dirt road or some gravel, it will help. It's not the same as four-wheel drive, but it's helpful. Not that I'm going to be off-road a lot, but nice to have it. But yeah, just wanted to show a little bit more of it. Yeah, but I tell you, it runs pretty good. There are some things, it's got a few battle scars, but it's an older truck. So the only thing I'm probably going to do is replace the rear bumper. The rear bumper has some pretty bad spots in it, and I will probably replace it. I'm getting some estimates on it now, and there you see it's got some banged up there a little bit, but it's an older truck. It's gonna happen. But yeah, got the bed liner, 5-foot bed. It's a double cab. I'm gonna go back around, show you the inside a little bit. I put seat covers. Mrs. Dog ordered me some seat covers, and relatively inexpensive seat covers, and they really make a difference. Check it out. It's like driving in the 90s, y'all. Now this is a 04, but it's got, check this out, if y'all can see this. The braking, the emergency brake is the old lever down there. That's awesome, isn't it? It's got a compact disc player and a cassette player. Not that I use that much, but it's hilarious. But the older I get, the more I just like simple. I just like simple, y'all. I'm a simple man, really. This dog ordered me the Odie. These are awesome. These little Odies are awesome for especially if you have an older vehicle, mounting your cell phone, camera, whatever you want to do. But yeah, 200, well, you can't, I don't have it cranked, but 253,000 miles and going strong. This has got the V6 engine, and they're relatively bulletproof, I tell you. They really are. But again, it's got the extra power button. It's got the rear differential locker on it, which is cool. But yeah, it's got the back seats. Actually, now I haven't put seat covers back here yet, but I probably will. But the back seats have, I think, just about as much room as the newer mid-sized trucks. Not bad at all. Yeah. Not that we'll use that a lot, but it's good storage. Good storage. So yeah. Transferred my net. I had this net in the newer truck that I had, but yeah, it's good. But yeah, it's been good. It's been a good one. So far, so good. But I basically run this back and forth to work. Not that I'm going to get off-road much. If I do, it's in the back of our property, and that's just, you know, nothing serious. Wouldn't mind getting on some dirt roads some, and, you know, exploring a little bit. But I'm not going to do any big-time rock climbing or any, you know, major off-road, anything like that with this thing. But yeah, just going to drive it. I mean, my commute back and forth to work is 15 miles one way, so. And I'm really liking no monthly car payment. I really am liking that a lot. You know, it's going to have an occasional, check out the scenery here. Now you hear the highway behind me, but this is a beautiful part of the county out here. Beautiful. But again, I'm going to have an occasional maintenance bill. I know after I bought it from him, I did have some mechanical work done to it that it needed. Not major, but had got that done. I've been cleaning it up here and there. I replaced the tires, like I said earlier, seat covers. What else? I'll probably just do a rear bumper. I'm not going to sink a whole lot of money into this vehicle with 253,000 miles on it. However, these trucks have a way of just keep going, and it's, from what we can tell, it's been maintained pretty well. So, and I know my dad maintained it while he had it. So, no rust issues. This vehicle has apparently lived its life in the South, so that's a good thing. So no rust. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick one. Y'all see, now I know not everybody on my channel that watches my videos is an auto enthusiast. I get it. But if you're still watching, I really appreciate it. Chime in, share your thoughts. But I'm liking the older vehicles. I really am. Anyway, I think that's gonna about do it. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I will see you soon. God bless.